We're reviewing a 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Rare Edition. This is like the orange, I guess orange edition. There's one at 750 made. Then it has a 2.0-liter inline turbocharged i4 that pushes out 208 horsepower and 250 foot-pounds of torque. It's very bright outside. Sorry. It has a 7-speed automatic transmissions. And if you love Mercedes, love the CLA, like the cousin version of the C63S, if you love these kind of cars, review for you guys. My name is Alex. We're back with the reviews. I was in Italy, so if you're wondering where I was, yeah, I forgot my glasses, so I'm kind of just squinting right now.
We got like a black on the for the color, so you can see there's the orange front bumper. Oh, there's the Mercedes with the just aluminum. We got the Mercedes-Benz badge. I'm gonna kind of get it real quick because it's very hot outside. It's like 93. You got a bit of a breeze, but this camera, it overheats. It has the orange edition on the front fender. It has black finished OEM 18 Mercedes-Benz wheels, like I said, with the drilled brake rotors, which I think is clean. I really like this car a lot. This is going for like $12,000. We got the side mirrors. We got like a black metallic, like a flake coming off. Like a sparkling like flake coming off, which I think is pretty with this car. It deserves it. It deserves it really well. And then we got factory twin tip exhausts, which is pretty clean. We got the orange on the outside, on the front back fender. Stay tuned to the end of the episode to show you guys the engine. We're gonna review the comfortness, review if I like this car or not, and yeah. Here is the CLA 250 badge. We got the Mercedes badge on the back. We got a little fin. We got the gas cap. We got the AMG on the rims. Forgot to show you guys that. Here it is. I'm gonna show you a whole like look around of the car. Let's go on the interior. Oh, you gotta be careful. It's very hot. Oh my god. All right. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't overheat. Oh my god, it's freaking hot in here. Ugh. You know that smell when you get in a hot car? Yeah. Very. Ugh. All right, we gotta be careful. Okay, here's the inside. Looks pretty nice. We got like the. So these are heated, ventilated seats with the. I like the orange stripe with the white stripes next to it. We got orange stitching throughout the car. Holy crap, it's so hot in here. We got orange stitching right around the side of the door, all throughout the car. Yeah, that's hot. It's freaking hot in here. Oh, that's a bit nicer. So we got the unlock and lock. We got the memory seat settings right here. We got this controls your windows to move the angle and everything. We got HARMAN KARDON sound system. I bet you guys didn't know that. 99 outside. Yeah, it's brutal. Welcome to Texas. This opens the back. You got your windows right here. Here's the steering wheel itself. We got the return, all the buttons that control all this. We got a digital gauge clusters, voice activation, decline, answer, and then your volume. And then you got these little paddle shifters right here, which I think is nice. It fits the car really well. Holy crap, I'm about to die. We got your it's so hot right now. I am dripping sweat. You see that? That is hand sweat. I am legit dying. Here's the cruise control settings. I think the GoPro overheated. Here's the lights right here. So you got your dimmers, autos, blinders, parking lights. That's your emergency parking. Or I guess you're like, you know what I mean. And then here's the AC, so you twist it like this, which I think is cool, like the opening, like close. And then, I don't know what that is, it's blinders. Like say, digital gauge clusters, that shows how much gas you have, how hot the engine is. I guess their miles right here. Your blinkers are up there. My hand is covered in sweat. Oh, this is brutal. Here's all your AC up here. We got like a honeycomb throughout the dash up here. You got your head mount display right here. Here's the features and everything. So it has hang up, decline, or hang up, answer, car, your navigation, radio, telephone, media. You got your, I guess, clear. This opens the CD player. Your volume right here. Your controls. There's like a, I don't have this in my car, and I've never really used one of these. I'm gonna guess it's like for your phone and everything, which I think is cool, and like your stations. And then you got, like I said, this heated, ventilated seats, which are nice. So you got this controls how your heat settings right here, dynamic select, emergency. You got your automatic, and same thing for your passenger seat. You got your AC controls right here. So you got your cooler, hotter zone. You just press one of these. I sadly can't turn on the car right now. Got your max settings or max AC. You got your AC right here, your modes, rear, increases it, decreases it, recirculates, and then just AC, and the same thing to your passenger seat. So right here is like a little, you press this, legit my hand, look at this, this is terrible. You press that, boom, you got like a little, you got your charger here, AC, and then press this. You got your cup holder, which I think is pretty cool. So you get to select your gauges right here, I guess your modes and everything that will pop up there. And then I guess another cup holder right here. This comes out if you like turn it on and everything, which I think is pretty nice. Here's the speakers right here, and then HARMAN KARDON sound system right there. You got your brake, your brake, and you got your accelerator. Oh, it's bloody hot. Here you got their blinder right here, and then your mirror. Hello. See, look at that. Bad. You got your lights up here, your backlight off, and then for your glasses, you got your back mirror, calls a technician, SOS, info. And then there's the back. We are gonna sit in the back to rate the comfortness. You got like a little holder here. I am sweating profusively right now. Oh my gosh. It's really comfortable. Oh, I forgot to show you this. My bad.
Meanwhile,
So there you go. I knew there was like a push. Yeah, there's your little chargers, and then you press it all the way back. It's really comfortable. I like it sitting in here. I give like an 8 out of 10. I really like the interior. The interior is nice. The orange, like I said, it's the orange edition, so it really fits the car. I'm glad that they matched it with the outside with the interior, which I'm a big sucker to one of those. This car is going for $12,000. If you guys don't know, go to RP Garage to go check it out. Y'all need to hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Like, y'all are missing out. We're about to hit 10K subs or 2,000 away. I need y'all to hit that subscribe button, please, and please smash the like button. All right, we're gonna go to the back and review the comfortness and over there. All right, we're back in the Sweatmobile. And we're in the back seats, and we got a little light. We got like a little vinyl, not a vinyl, but like a what's it called? Oh, it's not coming to mind. But you got the the sound system right here, the speakers. For some reason, it couldn't come to mind. We have orange stitching all throughout the back, which I think is nice. In the back of the seats, right here, you got like a little what's the window. So if you want to annoy the driver, boop, boop, boop. Okay, the TISM kicked in, and then you got the AC right here, and then turn it off and on, and then here's what the seats look like. So it's the same thing on mine. I really like this car a lot. What the heck is this? Someone forgot their diamond chain. We're gonna keep it with the car. And then, but I really like this a lot. Here is the middle seat. So if you press one of these, boom, cup holders. So, and then I think if you do maybe one more no, you don't, you can't, okay. And then press that back in, boom, and you kind of have like a strap right here to hold on, and then this is what the seat belts look like. Honestly, I think the seat belt should be orange. That's my complaint about this car. I really like it here. It's very spacious. It's, well, kind of spacious. I'd probably get maybe like a 7. Overall, the car is really nice. I'm a big fan of Mercedes, and this is, like I said, going for 12K. It's like the third time I've said it. But and like the windows, it's pretty good. I really like the orange stitching all throughout. My favorite thing about this car is probably since it's the orange edition. I love the orange stitching. I love the orange seats. I really just like this car a lot. And I forgot to show you that. Here's the lights up here. So now we're gonna show you the trunk, and then we're gonna show you the engine. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you, we got kind of like a little cup holder here, or like maybe a cup holder, I think. Yeah, kind of like a cup holder. It's very small. Make sure I have everything else. There's no like here to like put your thing in, so maybe you can add something. But yeah. Boom. Y'all need to subscribe, please. All right, now we're gonna show you the trunk and the hood. This is what you guys been waiting for. Now you open it up. Boom. Oh wow, that goes like up fast. It's pretty spacious. You can put your backpack, your suitcase, your golf club, maybe your golf clubs. I don't know. Golf clubs is a bit questionable. Yeah. And then I guess you can put your golf clubs down. You can put the seats down. So maybe then, I guess. And then under here is like the tire itself. So now we're gonna show you guys the engine. All right, here's the engine. It's really nothing like too fancy. It's stock engine. This thing is insanely hot. I think I just got like a 100-degree burn. But it's basic stock, nothing like, no cool air intakes, no like tubes or anything. I just want to say thank you to RPM Garage for letting me review this car. I love this car a lot. If you guys want to go check out RPM Garage, go to their website, click the link below if you want to check it out. We're based in Dallas, Texas. My name is Alex. If I kind of forgot to introduce myself in the beginning of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Even if you guys don't want to buy a car, just please check out RPM Garage. Like I said, go to their website or come here. And please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn that notification bell, and have a good day.